This is Harry Vocal, the sound of Australia, the voice off the street. Viral laboratories. There's overwhelming evidence that China could be responsible for this bloody pandemic getting out of one of their laboratories. Now, with everyone jumping up and down and pointing fingers, why doesn't the World Health Organization get involved here and shut these bloody laboratories down? Whether it's in China or anywhere across the world, unless they're doing good, shut them down before some crazed bloody idiot gets out and destroys the bloody lot of us. It's that bloody simple, but no one's pointing a finger, and the World Health Organization should be looking into it and making sure they're all shut down before the shit really hits the fan. This is just a warm-up. This is Harry Vocal.